Nurses will soon be back at every school in New Hanover County.
The Hanover County Commissioners changing the budget they passed in June just moments ago. A budget amendment restores 14 school nurse positions that had been axed in the original budget. WECT's Connor Smith has been looking into this for us. Connor, this puts nurse staffing back to where it has been for the past few years.
Yeah, that's right, Fran. Before this school year, New Hanover County had nurses in every school since the pandemic started. The cuts had put staffing on par with pre-pandemic levels, but commissioners changed their minds after hearing from you. New Hanover County commissioners with a change of heart. Over a dozen nurses will return to schools this year.
We've heard from the public. The public the folks want a nurse in every school.
We told you last night that a majority of commissioners now support fully funding school nurses. And a day later, commissioners voted unanimously, amending the budget they passed in June.
Frankly, I know that the entire commission is concerned about the health and safety of our children.
I don't know what happened, but I'm certainly not going to turn a blind eye to it.
The county's budget froze 14 school nurse positions. The health department then created this plan, which required a majority of schools to share nurses this year. The county says it was based on geography, enrollment size, and individual student needs. Parents, though, expressed concern about student safety, and school board members pushed back.
That is absolutely unacceptable, and it's not necessary.
Pat Bradford tells us parents have been sharing their feelings on that very real impact, and commissioners are listening. Superintendent Dr. Christopher Barnes says nurses are essential. According to county data, there were over 150,000 visits to school nurses last year.
Your kids will be safe at schools. Your kids will be healthy at schools, and we will do everything in our power to make it that way.
Before commissioners changed their mind, the school district had created coverage plans in case of an emergency, putting other staff in charge before a nurse could arrive. Now the schools are waiting for more nurses to arrive and stay. Now, New Hanover County's health department and not the school district is in charge of the school nurses. They do work together on coverage plans, but the county will oversee this hiring process for any new nurses. Fran?
Connor, how long before schools can expect these nurses to arrive?
Yeah, I asked county officials that. They say it's going to be pretty hard to hire 14 nurses overnight. Pierce is hopeful these positions can be filled in the next few weeks, but of course it could take longer.
Well, there's a nurse looking for a job. She just heard about one tonight. Thanks so much, Connor.